Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel TechOn. Friends, today I'm going to show that how to run Facebook ads campaign, that is get more page likes. Friends, as I showed you before that if you have a business on online or digitally and you have created a Facebook page for that and you have to promote your business locally, and I have shown in previous video how to run Facebook ads, promote your business locally. But after promoting your business locally, you should get some page likes and followers, right? So by promoting Facebook ads, by get more page likes, you can expand your business to the people. So friends, in this video, I'll show you in detail how easily you can run Facebook ads campaign, that is get more page likes. So go to on the computer, right? For Facebook ads campaign get more page likes, you have to come on your Facebook profile. After that, you have to go on that page. Friends, another way you can run Facebook ads campaign, that is you have to go to the business manager, that means Facebook business manager, and from there you can create a Facebook ads campaign, right? So after that, I'll go to the page. Then you'll see the interface like that, right? After that, you have to click on create ads. So click on here, create ads. See, this is the interface, right? So simply you can click on change, but before you select get more page likes, you have to do one thing. I'll cancel this one. So there is the media, right? If you select once get more page likes, you can't change the media. So before it, you have to change the media. So you can select a media right now. So I want to select this one and cancel this one, then select here. After that, you have to come on here on automatic, then click on change. Now you can select your desired Facebook ads campaign. So get more page likes for traffic, right? So select here, get more page likes. After that, you have to click on save. Then you have to do one thing. You have to come on add creative, right? And here is the description. So you have to write a perfect descriptions based on your product or service of your company, right? What is the mission, what is the vision, and what type of servicing you are giving, and what type of products you are giving to the clients, right? So I want to write a description here. I have written before, so I'll bring from there. This is the description, my friends, so I'll just make it copy and paste over there. After that, you have to come on the bottom level, right? So click on bottom level. You will find here only one button, that is like page. So there is no button without like page, so you have to click like page because we are running the campaign for get more page likes, right? And there is advantage plus creative. This is turned on automatically. But I'll tell you one thing about advantage plus creative. Friends, maybe in the down you will select target audience, right? If you select target audience and you want, I have selected that audience, this ad will reach only that people. So you have to turn off this advantage plus creative. But if you want, it's okay. I have set the target audience, but also beside of this, Facebook will reach this campaign to that same kind of people, right? If you want this result, then you can turn on advantage plus creative. So just now I'll select the target audience. I want only that target audience I'll reach my campaign. So I'll turn off this one. And special ad category is automatically turned off, right? But if you want to turn on this one and see what is going on here, click on here. On special ad category, if you want to run the campaigns for social issues, elections, or politics, right? And also housing, employment, credit. If you want to run this type of ads on your Facebook page, so you have to take permissions before running the campaign. Otherwise, without permission, if you run this type of ads, within few seconds or within few minutes, your ads will be closed, right? So I'll turn off this one, special ad category, because my ads is normal. There's no need to take permissions on special ad category, right? After that, you'll find here audience. So I'll select the audience. So click here, edit option, and see there is all men and women. If you want to specifically select women or men, you can. Otherwise, also if you want to select both, then click on all. And there is as level. If you want, you can select like this. So I want to select 18 to 35 for my business. As I told you in previous video, I have a digital marketing agency, right? So my target is to launch a course and to give the service to the people who are doing the business and who wants to add management on the Facebook page, right? So my goal is 2 types. So that's why I want to select 18 to 35. And location, I want to select only Bangladesh, already selected, right? But if you want to select another country or another locations, also you can do it from here. And see there is a detailed targeting, right? So click on browse for detailed targeting. Come on demographics, interest and behaviors, because there is 3 categories. On the base of 3 categories, you can select your target audience, right? So first I want to click on demographics. After that I will select from education. So click on here to expand. Again expand this one. So I want to select college grade. High school grade is okay. In college also, in high school, master's degree, professional degree, some college, some high school. That's it from here. And maybe from here I don't need it because there's a financial life, events, parents, relationships and work. But you have to expand all of that and you have to choose the right target audience from here. On the based on your product and service, I'm telling you again and again, right? Because if you don't select the perfect target audience, maybe your campaign will not give you the best results. So it's very important to select the target audience, right? Then you have to click on interest. First, I'll click on business and industry. So click on here. So I'll select advertising. Then I'll select here the banking. Yeah, investment and banking. I can do it. Online banking, retail banking, business and finance. Right? Then I can click on here online computing. I can select this one also. For me, right? Personal financing. Maybe they need help of mine because they are doing the business, right? So they can knock me. So I can select this also, and real estate also, and retail, sales, and a small business also, right? Entertainment I can select. So friends, you have to expand all of them and you have to select your target audience, right? So from here. After that, click on here, my friends. Click on again browse because I didn't select from the behavior, right? So click on behaviors and see there is anniversary behaviors mobile device user, right? So I can select from here digital activities, right? So click on here digital activities. I can select all creators and I can select also this one, digital activities. I can select all of them, no problem, right? And digital activities team, I can select from here also, music creators. Done, my friends. Confirm. After selecting the target audience, Then you have to come down and you have to choose for how many days you want to run your campaign. Like if you want to run this ad for 7 days or 15 days or 30 days, you can select from here, right? Or if you want to run this ad continuously, like per day or lifetime, then you can select this one, my friends, right? And if after selecting this one, you can select the cost, my friends, per day, how much cost if you want to expand, right? Like this, $8, $10, how much you want. After selecting the date and budget, then you have to come down and you'll find here placement. See, there is a placement turn automatically, right? So if you want to turn on the placements, that means this ad will show beside of Facebook, like Instagram, Messenger. But if you don't want to show your ad on Instagram or Messenger, then simply you have to turn off from here, right? And if you see there is a check mark on Instagram and Messenger, you have to remove it. And see, after that you'll find here MetaPixel. If you have a website and if you want to connect your website with MetaPixel or on Facebook ads, that means you can run your next ad by selecting the people who comment on your post, who like on the post, right? How many people reach these ads. Based on that analytics, you can run your next ads that will be more profitable, right? After that, you will find here payment method. So friends, on payment method, you have to do one thing. You have to add your payment method. Right now, you have seen that I have already added a payment method, right? That's why you are watching like that. But if you don't add it already on your payment method, so you'll find here payment method option. Just you have to click over there. After that, you have to take your card on your hand and you have to input your 16 digits card number and then your exact card name on that card and validity date of your card. After that, CVC number you will find opposite of the card, right? After that, you have to add it. Then my friends, after adding all of the things, you will find on the left side so how your ad will show on Facebook. See, my ad will show like this, my friends, right? And it will be shown per day 23,000.4k people to 67,007k people, and followers or like will be 265 to 767 per day, right? This is the per day result, my friends. And after watching this, simply, my friends, you can click on publish and your ad will be published, right? Friends, after clicking on publish, it will be on review to the Meta team. After reviewing your ad to Meta team, if it is comply with the ads guidelines of Facebook Meta team, then your ad will be active. Otherwise your ads will not permitted. So friends, that was all for Facebook ads campaign Get More Page Likes. So if you have any questions about Get More Page Likes on Facebook ads, you can ask me in comment box. I'll try to answer as soon as possible. Friends, if this video helpful to you, please like, share, comment and especially subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get next video notifications. Thank you for watching.